Okay, please. So what is the arc? How to find the arc measurement? Arc is a part of a circle. For instance, this is a circle. Center is O. This point is A, this point is B, this point is C, this point is D. For instance, A to D is an arc. How many degrees? The length. Today we don't discuss the length. Length is more difficult. We will discuss the length later. Today we only focus on how many degrees. Central angle. Where is the central angle? From the center, connect B, connect to C, connect to A, connect to D. So you have central angle. We call BOC. Angle BOC is one central angle. COD is another central angle. So central angles opposite arc. For instance, BOC is 70 degrees. Arc BC, we use BC. On the top is a curve, means arc BC equals to 70 degrees. Do you understand, please? If you write measure in the front, is better. Measure of arc BC is 70 degrees. If AOB, this angle is 30 degrees, just for example. So arc AB measurement is 30 degrees. Do you understand, please? So central angles measurement is the opposite arc's measurement. For instance, A through D to C. So arc ADC means from A through D to C equals to 150 degrees. Just for example, 150 degrees. So arc AOC, ADC, I'm sorry. ADC, arc ADC should be 150 degrees. Now, central angle, an angle whose vertex is the center of the circle. Minor arc with a central angle less than 180 degrees. So please, 70 is less than 180. 30 is less than 180. Arc ABC also, the sum is 100, also less than 180. We call this one as a minor arc. If more than 180 degrees, for instance, 30, 70 is 100. This one should be what? 260 degrees. If this is 100, this is 260 degrees. 260 is what? Is a major arc. Central angle more than 180 means the measurement is more than 180, is 280, is arc, major arc. Exact 180 degrees. For instance, the diameter. So for instance, A, B, C, D, E to F. So you can say EAF means E through A to F is semicircle. The example is 180 degrees. Again, central angle is first important. What is the central angle? The vertex is in the center. For instance, we have another circle. This is the center. And this angle is not central angle because the vertex is on the circle. Must be in the center. This is where central angle. This is the central angle. This is central angle. This please? Good. Central angle, how many degrees? The arc, how many degrees? If the angle is less than 180, less than 1 diameter, that one should be what? Minor arc. More than 180 is major arc. Exact 180 should be semicircle. So this part is so easy to work. Quiz must be there. Don't make a mistake. Measuring arcs. For instance, if ACB is 50 degrees, the arc AB should be 50 degrees. So minor arc is a measure of its central angle. And the measure of a major arc is the difference between 360 and the measure of its related. For instance, ADB means arc from A through D to B. ADB is 360 degrees minus 50 degrees. So this one should be 310 degrees. Do you understand, please? So this angle is 310 degrees. The opposite measure of the arc should be 310. 310 degrees, this is major or minor? Major, okay, please? Now we have very easy question. Name major. Give me one major arc measurement. Which arc is major arc? Raise your hands, please. Which yes? MRQ? MR what? MRN, yes, okay. M through R to N, perfect, okay? So this should be major. Now why? Because this is 180, more than 180, this one should be, and arc MRN is major arc. And if give me a semicircle, who can give me a semicircle? Yes? NMR. NMR, yes. NMR or NPR is the same thing. Just semicircle, because this diameter is semicircle. Who can give me a minor arc? Minor arc. Minor arc.
QR.
QR. QR, yes. QR arc equals to 73. So this is 73, must be minor. Is that okay, everyone, please? Less than 180, greater than 180, equals to 180. So please. Now, this is so easy to work. Arc addition postulate. For instance, arc AB measurement plus arc BC measurement equals to arc ABC measurement. Do you understand, please? If this is 40 degrees, this is 200 degrees, just for example. So ABC should be 240 degrees. Do you understand, please? Okay, same thing. If ABC is 240 degrees, this is 40 degrees, this one should be 20 degrees. So subtraction also the same thing. So 2 arc, which the total is 240. This is 40, this one should be 200. If this is 40 is 200, the sum should be 240. Is that okay for everyone, please? Good. Now we have some easy example. And yes. Find angle. Find the arc QS. How many degrees? How to find R? I'm sorry, QS. How many degrees? Who has set up an equation for me, please? This kind of question is easy, but the quiz is there. If you are some children, if you don't understand, look, yes.
Would it be QS equals 180 minus 52?
180 minus 52? No. Who can tell me? Who is a volunteer? Please find QS, how many degrees? How to find? Means find the angle P, how many degrees? The same thing. Angle P, for instance, 100 degrees. QS is 100 degrees. Yes? Good. No. 360 minus 52, that's the QS? Is that correct?
No. It's 360 minus 52 divided by 2.
Okay. Divided by 2. After you minus 52, the QSR is divided by 2 is P. Do you understand, please? Good. For this question, same thing. I want some students to answer my question, please. Yes. Could you?
360 minus 7.
Good. Yes, good. Thank you.
Oh,
360 minus this is the sum of those two. They are congruent, divided by 2. You understand me, please?
Yeah.
Yes, good. Not give you the work,
Definitely.
but you need to know how to do it. Okay, please? Okay.
Yeah.
This kind of question must be there. Look at the board, please. First question. Who is a volunteer to solve x and y? You can set up equation. You can tell me the answer. Tell me how to get, or you just tell me how to set up equation. Yes?
Would it be 2x plus x plus 90 degrees equals 180?
2. Yes, yes, good. Do you understand him, please? Because this diameter means what? Semicircle. Semicircle is 180 degrees. So totally, this is 180 degrees. X plus 2x plus 90 is 180. Is 180, yes. Do you understand, please? So you get 3x plus 90 equals 180. So x equals to 30. Simplify. How to find a y, please? Y how many degrees? Yes?
2y plus 60 equals 180.
2y plus 60 equals 180. Now you get a y equals 60. Do you understand him, please? Yes. Second question. Who is a volunteer? Come on. So Maria.
5x plus 7x minus 12 equals 180.
5x plus 7x minus 12 equals to what? 180. Is that correct?
Yes.
How about 5x equals 7x minus 12? 5x equals to 7x minus 12. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Not okay. Okay, please? We don't know they are congruent. We know the sum is 180. This is perfect. This is not good. Thank you. Now, I think almost everything is there.
Y is split by EH.
This is for next Monday. Okay, this is for next Monday. Now, you do assignment.